welcome back. Another episode here on the radio show. Today we're going to be exploring that rock over there. You see further away. So right now we're at a rest area, and then we're going to head over there. We're having breakfast now. All right. This is our first rest stop. This is the tour bus that I'm taking, and we are going to have breakfast right now, and then we'll continue on our tour. That's the name of the restaurant we're at right now. Balcony Restaurante Asados. This is the restaurant we came to eat at. There's the tour buses we got. I'm going to show you a bit of the view of this side.
And just a bit of a heads up, so you understand that I'm making this video and a couple of next ones are going to be very short, because I'm just going to be dividing the videos into every single stop that I did with these bus tour guides.
So this is the pier. Is it boat? It looks like you could have technically taken pictures up there, but not right now.
Wow.
So I'm taking a little break right now at one of the restaurants here around the plaza. Let's put it that way. I got a water, learn how to hydrate, and getting a cappuccino at the same time. So it is a nice place, and there is a lot of shops around. You might be actually getting the tourist price, but if you're coming with the American dollars, you'll still save yourself money. Another tourist spot. Upside down house. We have some of these in the US as well. But it's another tourist area where we stop, and here's the bus as well. We're gonna get back into the bus. There's a restaurant there. There's gift shops everywhere. So we continue the tour. Don't forget, if you like videos like these, like and subscribe. Here only on the Rick Show. See you on the next country review.